Hey everyone, check out the Leebein Electric Spin Scrubber, a cordless cleaning brush with 8 replaceable heads designed for every surface. It features a powerful motor delivering up to 400 RPM and 15 kgf torque while running quietly at just 55 decibels. With 2 speed modes and an adjustable extension handle that reaches up to 51 inches, cleaning hard-to-reach areas is easier than ever. Control the scrubber with a remote on the long handle or a button on the short handle, saving your back and knees. The scrubber includes brushes for tubs, tiles, grout, wood floors, windows, and even polishing your car. Its upgraded battery charges fast with USB-C and lasts up to 90 minutes on a single charge. Plus, it comes with a 2-year warranty, ensuring reliable and effortless cleaning for your home. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.